and welcome back to my channel. I just received my Fabfitfun box and I thought that it would be nice to sit down, show you guys all the things that I received and let you know if I like this box, if I thought it was worth the money for this particular box. For those of you who don't know, this is going to be my fourth box with them. I received my first one in the summer of last year and I paid $40 for it for the first box, and then after that every seasonal box is $50, and there is a guarantee of more than $250 worth of stuff in this box. Honestly, the last three boxes I received from them were amazing. I loved everything. I used everything, and I use things that I would never purchase myself, but then I fall in love with it. So I really love this subscription service. So let's stop talking and blah 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 and let's start opening the stuff, because I have not yet opened it and I thought that we would do it together. Okay, so it comes like this. Every Fabfitfun box you get a catalog in here, and it writes about all the beauty products, health products, everything lifestyle, and it also shows you everything that you get or could have gotten in this box, along with the prices and the description of what it is and how to use it. I really love getting this because it shows me all of the amazing stuff that I get, and for some stuff I don't know how to use it, and it tells you right here. Every box they always have like something like this. This is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. It's a food subscription service. I might give this to somebody because I personally don't use it. So let's dive in and see what I got. By the way, I apologize for the dogs barking outside. My neighbor's dogs around this time of day, every day, want to piss me off. Every time I record, they start to bark. I think my voice is very high pitched, so they're trying to communicate with me, you know? But anyway, the first thing that I got is, it's the Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Facial Cleanser. I've never tried anything from this brand, and this is a very nice size cleanser. Let's see what it says in here. This cleanser removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently while leaving your skin balanced and clarified, and this retails for $28. So I'm super excited I got this. You guys know I hold skincare so close to my heart, so I'm very excited I got this. Ooh, the next thing that I got is this Sip by Swell insulated water holder or canister, whatever you want to call it. I've been recently on a healthier journey, you can say. I've been keeping track of everything that I eat. Sometimes I even weigh it on MyFitnessPal, just so that I know, and keeping myself more responsible as to what I eat. And I've also been measuring how much water I drink. Now with that said, the more water I drink, if I'm out and about, I use a lot of plastic bottles, and the use of plastic I've been trying to reduce. So something like this is very, very exciting. This bottle right here is $19.99, and it says sip in style while reducing single-use plastic consumption. Whether filled with a hot or cold drink, the stainless steel water bottle is insulated to keep your drink at just the right temperature. I did not know that you can put hot drinks in here as well, so I'm very excited I got this. This has been something I've been wanting to purchase on my own, but never got the chance to, so the fact that it came in this box is a big plus. The next thing that I got in here is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Ooh, I've been needing a scrub. The summer is right around the corner. Sometimes I put a little selfless tanner on my legs, and before you do that, you need to exfoliate. So having this is good timing, Fabfitfun. Okay, this is the Monica Dar Champagne Body Scrub, which retails for $24. It says that it's formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. Let's see what it looks like. It looks looks like this, and it's basically, as it said, it's mineral sea salt mixed in with charcoal. And as I said, it does smell amazing. So the next thing that I got is from Carez, and this is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial Mask. Let me see what it says. This retails for $48. So basically this itself already paid for the whole box. This is said to hydrate and brighten your skin. This weightless souffle contains vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid, and it's basically, like I said, it's a nighttime sleeping mask. Those ingredients are amazing. I love those ingredients in skincare. Carez is one of those brands that is a little bit pricey, so I've never tried this, so I'm excited that I got this. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have a lot of stuff in my rotation right now, so once I finish that, I will definitely open this and use it at night. The next thing in the box is this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Eye Depuffing Gel. And this retails for $42.
Say what?
Oh, that's expensive. This is supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles. I personally don't have dark circles. I just have like hollow ends in here, which nothing can be done for that. You gotta get filler, which I'm not gonna do. But from time to time when I don't drink enough water, I do wake up with a little bit of puffiness. So I will definitely use that on those days. But like I said, I don't really suffer from that as much, so I don't really know how much use I'll get out of this. And I still can't believe that this is $42. Dr. Brandt is a bit of a pricey brand as well, but I don't know. That price is still like... The next thing that I got in here is from Way, and this is the leave-in conditioner. This retails for $26. And it's basically supposed to smooth and soften and detangle your hair with the moisturizing properties to enhance heat protection. As you guys know, my hair is color treated and it is kind of damaged and dry because I put a lot of hot tools on it. I blow dry and curl my hair on it daily. So any type of moisture in it is amazing. I am definitely excited that I got this. I love trying out new hair products as well. And Way is one of those very prestigious brands, so I'm excited I got this in the box. And then I get to try it out. Really? I got a silicone beauty applicator. It looks like this. I've had one of these before. I'm personally not a big fan of it. It's not even in here. It says that I'm supposed to get like a mystery item of like $20 or more. This is definitely not worth $20 to me. I could have done without this. If you guys look up silicone beauty applicators on Google or YouTube, you'll see not a lot of people like this item. I personally don't, so... Now this item I actually chose for in my bag. You could have gotten one of three things, either a floral robe, a backpack, or an oil diffuser. I didn't want an oil diffuser because I have two of them already. Robes, I have many of them and I barely even use them. So I opted for the backpack. And the reason why is because during spring and summer we do a lot of outdoor stuff with my kids. So I'm always constantly carrying snacks, water bottles, sunscreen, stuff for me. So I need a big bag and I love wearing backpacks. So I opted out for a backpack, and let me take it out. Comes in here. This is from the company Tula. Oh, okay. The backpack looks like this. It's canvas with, I'm pretty sure this is patent leather. This doesn't feel like real leather. And it comes with adjustable straps. It's cute. I really like it. I will definitely get some use out of it. It does look like it's well made. Let's see how much it's worth. Hold on. Yeah, no. This says it retails for $75. On what planet? I'm sorry, I personally would not buy this for $75. Maybe like $20, $25, I would say, but not $75. Keep your belongings safe and snug in the cutest canvas backpack. It features adjustable straps, a top handle, and a post closure, make it a perfect bag for all of your spring travels. Like I said, it's a cute backpack. I'll definitely use it, but I really would not personally, with my own money, pay $75 worth for that. And that is all for this box. I counted and I received 8 items for $50, which I think is a steal. I will put the total amount of what this box retails for in this corner right over here. Now let's talk about the stuff that I was really excited about. I am so excited I got this, which retails for $20. I'm really excited that I got this Caress cream, which is $48. I'm excited to try a new facial cleanser. This couldn't have come at a better time. And this was really nice as well. This backpack, as I've mentioned, I will definitely use. It's very cute. It's very like springy summer. I just don't believe that it should be $75 worth. Everything else that I've added up so far in this box is way over $50, so I did get my money's worth. But like I said, I don't believe this should be $75. And this as well, I feel like this is a little bit too pricey, but I'll definitely use it. And the one item that I'm about is this. So do I think that the Fabfitfun box is worth the money? I definitely think you're getting your money's worth of stuff. I've got stuff in here that I would have never bought, but I end up loving. So if you're interested, I will leave the link to sign up below. No, I do not make any commission. No, this is not sponsored. I'm just showing you everything that I got. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. If you like seeing these types of videos, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys.